Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to connect Dataset. Log in to Lumenore. Now on the home page, navigate to Connect Data. Click on Select Connector. Select any suitable connector. Click on Browse File or drag and drop the file. Click on Next to proceed further. Click on the checkbox to select the tables from the uploaded data file. Here you can view the columns of selected tables. Go to the Preview section to view data before saving. Click on Transform Data to make any changes to the data. Now make the necessary changes or simply go back. Next, click on Save. Give a dataset name and hit OK. Your dataset has been created successfully. Once the dataset is uploaded, you can view the data in the Data Preview tab. To proceed further, go to Create Schema or close the tab.